Hello everyone. This is small experiment we are conducting to detect some hand gestures. So let's see the hardware part first. As you can see, this is one USRP device. It has two transmitting antennas and two receiving antennas. This is USRP2 device connected with one directional antenna acting as a receiving antenna. So let's see the software part. We are using GNU Radio. So as you can see, this is the flow graph for our experiment. We are using two signal source. One is passing through variable delay, and this is the USRP receiver. So sorry, this is USRP transmitter. So the first part is for the transmission, and the second part is for reception. So basically USRP source block, it means it is used for USRP receiver. So we are taking the magnitude and it is passing through threshold. So whenever the amplitude of the received signal is greater than threshold, we are allowed to pass one signal, so that is sine wave, to the audio sync. It means whenever the amplitude of the received signal is greater than threshold, you can receive one buzzer sound of frequency 10 kilohertz. So let me run the experiment. As you can see the output, let me get maximize. You can see the output. Sorry. So this is the output. So let me show. Whenever I'm moving my hand between the direction of transmission and receiver, you can hear the sound. So this is whenever I'm moving my hand between the path of transmitter and receiver, you can hear the sound. Let me show in flow graph. So whenever my hand is moving, you can see there is a change in the output. So this is the small experiment, but it has numerous application. Thanks a lot.